Welcome. Let's do another fun experiment. Here we will compare different image formats but from another perspective. You must have heard a lot of different image formats like jpeg, png and bitmap. We are going to differentiate them in a fun way. Let's start. First I am going to create two images, one with jpeg format and another one with png format in Microsoft Paint. Now we will open both the files in Notepad. Yes, you heard right. We will open the files in Notepad. After opening, let's see their contents. You can see the difference. It's a kind of fun experiment and I already told you at the beginning of the video. Now let's create another image file with the extension bitmap or BMP. Now we will open the file with Notepad and yes, the contents are completely different from the other two files. All the files may look the same when we open them, but their internal contents are different. And we just proved that. I guess all of you had some fun with this fun experiment. Okay, that's all for this video. We are going to do more fun experiments in the upcoming videos. Thank you.